Done. Except there's one rule I've learned doing this kind of work as long as I've been doing it. Don't decide what the repair needs until you've actually seen what's inside, because this truck is about to prove that point. Hub comes off, and now we find this. Look closely at that bearing race. That's damage I'm not willing to ignore. And this is one of those moments where standards matter. Because you can look at something that's questionable and ask, can I get away with reusing it? Or you can ask a completely different question. Would I put my name on it? Those are two very different standards. At Diesel Kings, that's what we're trying to build. Not perfection, not pretending we never make mistakes, a standard. Do the repair that you can stand behind when the truck is 500 miles away and no one's watching you anymore. In this case, that damaged race has got to be changed.